Okay, I'm gonna need you to stop what you're doing and watch this. For the girlies, if you struggle with wearing no bra with certain dresses, tops, this video is for you. Okay, I don't know if this is just me, but I always am so envious of those girls who can pull off dresses that have keyholes, like those super trendy ones, and not have to wear anything underneath. And I'm like, girl, tell me your secrets. And keep in mind, a lot of the breast tape kits, as well as any kind of like padding, usually the ones that are stuck to your skin fall off for me specifically, because I'm like, girl, like I'm outside, California, 95-degree heat, like it's hot. This right here has been my holy grail. Not only are these cruelty-free, which I think is freaking amazing, but every single time that you purchase one of these kits, a portion actually goes to the American Breast Cancer Foundation, which is awesome. So that's that, and I'm going to show you guys what's in it. First things first, they actually provide a little testing strip, so that way if you're allergic, you can put this on your skin 24 hours before and see kind of like how you react. So they have that, which is awesome. And then it does come with some normal pasties, which regardless, you always want to make sure that you're protecting whenever you do tape up. And then they also have these silicone ones, and then lastly the tape, which a ton comes with it, you guys. Forgot that it comes with a cute little bag that you can put all of these goodies in, which is amazing, because if I didn't have that, I would just lose everything. And then they also have a step-by-step guide as to how you should be applying it. They also have on the back portion kind of like different ways that you can apply, let me focus it, apply the breast tape. So let's go ahead and do it. First thing, you want to make sure that everything is clean, free of lotion, all that good stuff. And then you're going to want to make sure that you put one of these pasties on each. And then I'm going to show you guys basically what it looks like with one side of the tape. My dress is like that, so I'm thinking of applying the tape more or less right here, as well as coverage right here. Okay, so I just finished with this side. Clearly you can tell a difference, and then I'm going to do the next. Okay, and so now this is it. You can see it has been lifted so freaking much. I'm obsessed with this breast tape kit.